In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkout for Canva website. Create a cart. Before we jump in, here's the plan. Canva doesn't process payments directly, so we'll connect a secure payment link from a provider, place it on a button inside your Canva design, and then publish your site so visitors can click and pay with confidence. First, create your payment link. Use a third-party processor such as Square Online Checkout or PayPal. In your chosen provider, create a product or payment item, set the price and currency, add a clear name and description, and confirm any settings like quantity limits, tax, or delivery details if you're selling a digital download. When it's set, copy the checkout or payment link the processor generates. This link is the key to sending customers straight to a secure payment page. As a quick quality check, paste the link into a browser to make sure it opens correctly and shows the right product and price. Now design your button in Canva. Open your website design in Canva and go to Elements. In the search bar, type button and choose a button style you like. Solid shapes work great for visibility. Resize it so it's large enough to tap on mobile and place it where it naturally fits your layout, like near your product info or at the end of a section. Add text by selecting the text tool and typing something clear like checkout or a buy now. Drag the text onto the button and center it. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the button color, and increase font weight if needed so it's easy to read at a glance. Link the button. Click the button element if you group the shape and text, select the group, then click the link icon in the top toolbar. Paste your payment link into the field. If the option is available, set it to open in a new tab so visitors can return to your site easily. Apply the link and double-check by hovering over the button to confirm it's active. Finally, publish your Canva website. Click Publish, choose your website style and domain option, and go live. Open the live site, click your button, and you should be redirected straight to the secure checkout page hosted by your payment provider. That's it. Thanks for watching.